Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Belt Tool Pouch is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for any professional or DIY enthusiast who needs quick access to their most used tools while on the job, ensuring that your screwdrivers, pliers, measuring tapes, and other small but vital implements are always within arm's reach, thereby significantly boosting your efficiency and saving you precious time spent searching through larger toolboxes or bags. Number 5. Klein Tools Tradesman Pro Maintenance Tool Pouch. Introducing the Tradesman Pro Maintenance Tool Pouch from Klein Tools. It's designed for professionals who need their tools readily accessible. This pouch features 9 dedicated pockets, providing ample space for all your essential tools. Keep everything organized and within reach. It includes a specialized electrical tape thong, ensuring your tape is always handy when you need it. No more searching for this crucial item. The robust tunnel loop is designed to fit belts up to 2 inches wide, offering a secure and stable attachment. It stays put no matter how demanding the job. With its easy grab-and-go styling, you can quickly access your most frequently used tools. This pouch is perfect for electricians and maintenance professionals. Built for the toughest jobs, this tool pouch combines durability with practical design. It's an essential accessory for any tradesperson. What we like. This pouch is designed for quick access to your most used tools. It features a dedicated tape thong and multiple pockets for organization. If you're an electrician or maintenance professional who needs to keep essential items like screwdrivers and pliers readily available, this is a great choice. What people say. Light and sturdy construction quality. Good belt loop that seems to be very sturdy for a good life. It is durable and perfectly convenient in every way. Loads of space in it for how much stuff I do have to carry. Strap is great. Material or however it's freaking woven, this cloth could just never in a million years become undone. There is no unbuilding perfection. Number 4. CLC Custom LeatherCraft 5-Pocket Holder 1105. Introducing the CLC Custom LeatherCraft 5-Pocket Holder. It's designed to keep your essentials easily accessible throughout your workday. With this versatile holder, you can conveniently hang, strap, or clip it onto your work belt, suspenders, or pants. Keep your phone, tools, and accessories exactly where you need them. This holder is perfectly sized to accommodate most brands of compact phones. You can trust it to keep your device secure and protected. Its adaptable design makes it an ideal tool holder for a variety of jobs. The 3-way attachment system ensures it fits securely onto pants, web suspenders, or work aprons. Measuring 6 inches by 2.5 inches, it offers ample space without being bulky. This compact design ensures it won't get in your way while you work. What we like. This holder offers exceptional versatility for carrying your phone and essential tools. Its multi-attachment system allows you to clip it onto various belts, suspenders, or pants. If you need a compact solution to keep your phone and a few small tools secure and accessible, especially if you work in varied environments, this is ideal. What people say. This pouch is surprisingly spacious, fitting all my essential tools comfortably without being bulky. The reinforced stitching and durable canvas material make this pouch feel like it will last for years. I appreciate the multiple compartments inside, which help keep my smaller items organized and easily accessible. Number 3. Topstache Leather Multitool Sheath. Tired of messy pockets? This leather organizer provides a dedicated space for your multi-tool, flashlight, pen, and more. Everything stays secure, freeing up your hands and pockets. Handcrafted from premium, natural crazy horse leather with fine stitching, this organizer is built to last. It offers a comfortable and durable solution for your everyday carry. Measuring 6.2 by 5.8 by 1 inches, it easily fits standard belts up to 1.8 inches wide. An extra belt loop ensures a comfortable, bunch-free fit. This versatile organizer can hold your multi-tool, flashlight, tactical pen, and even car keys. It features specialized bands for extension kits and larger knives with clips. Surprise the man in your life with this stylish and practical leather craft. It's the ideal gift for anyone who values organized and convenient everyday carry. What we like. Crafted from high-quality leather, this organizer provides a sophisticated and durable way to carry your EDC essentials. It features dedicated slots for a multi-tool, flashlight, pen, and more, keeping everything in place. If you appreciate fine craftsmanship and want to keep your pockets free while carrying a range of everyday tools in an organized manner, this is the perfect option. What people say. This pouch is designed to hold a variety of small tools, keeping them organized and easily accessible on your belt. The durable material ensures longevity, and the belt loop is strong enough to support the weight of the tools without sagging. Its compact size makes it convenient for carrying essential items without being bulky. Number 2. AWP Electrician Premium Multi-Pocket Tool Pouch. Experience superior durability with this tool pouch, crafted from high-quality materials. It's designed for professionals, blending style and function to keep your essential tools readily accessible. Stay organized with 7 dedicated pockets, perfect for all your essential tools and measuring tape. Streamline your work by keeping everything within easy reach. This versatile pouch includes a carabiner snap hook for extra attachments and interior elastic pockets. It's perfect for electricians and various other worksite needs. Designed as a comfortable belt bag, it's ideal for extended wear. Enjoy easy access to your tools, making it an indispensable accessory for professionals on the go. Built for electricians and craftsmen, this pouch is made from water-resistant polyester with reinforced stitching. It's designed for long-term durability, accommodating a wide range of tools. What we like. Built for demanding work environments, this tool pouch offers robust durability and excellent organization. Its water-resistant polyester construction and multiple pockets ensure your tools are protected and easily accessible. If you're a professional tradesperson, particularly an electrician, looking for a reliable and long-lasting pouch to carry a variety of tools, this is a solid investment. What people say. The belt clip is also a perfect design for quick easy slip on and off of your belt, and it has a rigid plate inside that keeps it open and against your hip, and not just flopping around like some others I have used. It holds everything I need: cutters, strippers, screwdrivers, tape, with room to spare. The layout makes it easy to grab tools quickly without fumbling, which saves time on the floor. Its 7 pockets and loops keep all my essential tools organized and within easy reach. The heavy-duty metal belt clip ensures the pouch stays securely attached to my belt, even during rigorous tasks. Number 1. Bucket Boss Original Series Utility Pouch. Introducing the Bucket Boss Original Series Utility Pouch. This versatile pouch is designed to keep your essential tools organized and accessible. Crafted with a blend of PE, PP, PVC, and polyester, it's built to withstand tough job site conditions. Featuring 5 convenient pockets, it offers ample space for small tools, pencils, and flashlights. The exclusive flap-fit design ensures a secure and snug fit for your tools, preventing them from falling out. An exterior long-handled tool loop provides an additional convenient carrying option for your larger items. Keep everything you need within reach with this practical and durable pouch. It's the perfect companion for any professional or DIY enthusiast. What we like. This pouch provides secure storage with its flap closure, protecting your tools from dust and debris. It also includes a convenient loop for longer-handled items. If you need to keep smaller tools, pencils, and flashlights protected and organized, especially in dusty or outdoor conditions, this offers a practical and secure solution. What people say. It fits everything needed for a day's work. Work phone, pens, markers, utility knife, and eyeglasses. Easy to use, lots of storage space, and has Velcro that can be adjusted around both small and large belt hoops. Excellent quality tool pouch. I am a structured cabling technician and I've had one exactly like this for the last 2 years. It has served me well and taken lots of abuse. This utility pouch is a sturdy and well-designed pouch that's perfect for carrying small tools, accessories, and personal items. The flap-fit design makes for a secure and snug attachment to my belt or tool bag, making it really convenient to access what I need. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.